There are many brands of Combi oven in the market. How to choose a professional Combi oven among the brands? The most important thing before we make a choice is to understand the function and performance of each brand. Nowadays, many brands of Combi oven in the market have basic pure steaming and pure bake functions only. Strictly speaking, they are just all-in-one machine functions that can only steam and bake. Professional Combi oven must have a steaming and grill mixing mode. In the process of grilled food, combined with intelligent temperature control, steam is automatically added to maintain sufficient moisture in the food to achieve the crisp surface of the food, not dry and scorched, but tender, juicy and nutritious. This is the function of the real professional steaming and roasting machine. Vatti Professional Combi oven has two steaming and grill mixing functions: tender roast and crispy roast. In addition, unlike other brands of Combi oven in the market, we can also freely choose the level of steam humidity to achieve the effect of professional chef-level cooking. Different humidity level will get the different result of cooking.